Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your laptop meets basic prerequisites and then act. Check OS and free disk space. Once satisfied, download and run the Python 3.x installer. During installation, make sure to select Add Python to Path so you can run Python from any terminal. If you prefer package managers, use Winget, Homebrew, or apt. Once the installer finishes, open a terminal and run Python version to verify success before moving on. Once Python runs, you create a predictable environment for development. You create a virtualenv with Python mvenv and activate it. This isolates libraries per project, preventing conflicts. Next, upgrade pip with Python mpip. Install upgrade pip setup tools wheel so installations are smooth. Then install key packages for your project. Make sure to pick an editor that integrates with Python, like VS Code or PyCharm, and configure the interpreter. You execute and verify your code next. Run Python script. Py for simple scripts or Python M package for modules. Use Python C for quick one-liners. Once done, run tests with PyTest or simple assert statements. That ensures behavior matches expectations. If something breaks, check whether the correct interpreter is active and whether path and virtualenv activation succeeded. A quick pip freeze shows installed packages, confirm versions. If unresolved, recreate the venv and reinstall dependencies to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.